Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is Mind Your Crypto. My name is Bill and today I'm gonna analyze SKL, Scale, and why I think this crypto is important. Thank you so much guys. Thank you a lot for subscribing, for viewing my channel. It's been like 2 weeks or so that I am posting videos. Thank you a lot for supporting me. Thank you. Let's go and head back to the SKL technical analysis, guys. I always work the MACD, which is this one, and with the blue line we have the MACD, with the orange line we have the signal line. So if the MACD is beyond the signal line, that means we have a pretty bearish scenario, and now we have a semi-bearish scenario. We can see the trend here. I think the price might move sideways, might move a little down. Let's see here the support, the major support and resistance lines, guys. So we have our major support at $0.46, our next major support line at 0.59, 59, our next major resistance level at around 0.76 USD, and we have 0.90, around 0.90, our next major resistance level. The one with the yellow line is, I think, the trend that SKL will follow, but we will see it later in the next few minutes, guys, exactly what my short-term price prediction will be. But for now, the yellow line, I think SKL will test this support line here as well as it tested at 21st March, and it will test a line here again. It might move sideways, but if it tests this line, then I think we will test this line as well. But guys, I am not sure about 0.46 USD support line. We need to see if it goes beyond 0.59 to $0.60. If it goes beyond that, then we will see and test this support line, guys. So if we break through this line here, which is about 0.4076 to $0.78.79, if we break through this, then I think, guys, we will soon be testing the next one. We might have a trend downwards. So here we might have a trend downwards again, and then we will go up, and this will be our next support line, guys. So let's see what will happen. Let me remove this line. Okay, let's go straight to the RSI and the CCI indexes. Here I got it together. You can see the RSI with the purple line, the CCI with the orange line. So what we see here is nothing to care about, because we are in below the PI point and we are between 30 and 70 and 0 to 100. So guys, you don't have to worry about the CCI and the RSI indexes, because we have nothing to see here. We are not in a risk metric. We are not expecting a high risk, but we are not at an oversold situation as well. So we have to wait and see. I will make an update if we see something huge coming or we test the support lines beyond the prices. Okay guys, so the volume here is pretty low. You can see it here. Volume sits at 1.2957 million. Okay guys, so let's go quickly to the EMAs and the short-term price trend, and afterwards I will have variable short-term price prediction, which I think will occur. So guys, with the red line is the 50-day EMA, the orange line is the 30-day EMA, and the yellow line is the 20-day EMA. We are well afar from these lines here. You can see that we had a huge pump. Okay, we were right here. The RSI index and the CCI indexes here were hitting the rock top. Okay guys, so we had a high risk, and if I made a video at 11th March or 12th March, I would say, guys, that you have to wait a bit, because we will see a correction. We saw the correction here, and now it moves sideways. It needs to find its new price, because it went online on Coinbase, guys, and when new coins go into Coinbase platform, Afterwards, they need to find their new prices, so they go a bit downwards and go a bit sideways till we see an upcoming trend again and we see a pump up. So guys, that's it, and we are above 20-day EMA, which is pretty good, but we might fall a little here. And the reason I drew this line till here is that we might test 0.59 again, guys, because now we tested 0.60. Okay, it's pretty the same line, so we might test it again, or we might not. We will see. I've shown you the support and resistance lines and why you should be careful. So let's see the short-term price prediction, guys. The short-term price prediction can vary a little. Okay, guys. So I think that in April or even a little further, we will see that we can hit this exactly resistance level at 0.90. Afterwards, I don't know what will be the trend. I think we will test the resistance level. We will have a support level here, and we might move a pump up again, guys, in the near future for SKL. But for the short term, I think we will be testing again 0.59. We might as well go a bit downwards. The reason I am saying this is because we are not sure where the price will go. So if we want to invest right now, we need to be very careful, okay, guys, and wait a little bit. Don't invest right now in SKL till if it finds its new price and breaks through the one major resistance level, which was here, guys, at 0.76. So if you want to buy right now, though, for the very long term and hodl, you can buy. Okay, guys, for sure you can buy. I think this is not the end for SKL. It has huge opportunities to grow in the near future. So this is my short-term price prediction, and it might go a bit sideways. We might even test lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so I am not pretty sure, but I would say we might move like this, a bit downwards. We might move like this, but I think the scenarios might agree that these are the two scenarios that we might move. And this is the average with the dot line, guys. We might move a bit downwards, as I told you before. So if I were you, I wouldn't buy. If I had bought at the top, then I would buy again in the short term. Afterwards, we see where the price will go, if it goes beyond the support levels. That's why, guys, support levels and major resistance levels play so much important role. I've been studying the crypto market for about 3 years now before posting any videos on YouTube, guys, and trust me, they play a significant role on the psychology, because 80% of the market is psychology, guys, and the indexes. The index for the risk metrics, for Fibonacci. I will make more videos, and I will put more indexes into my videos, but I think I always should focus on these metrics that I focus right now, because they are very important. So let's jump back to SKL against BTC. Nothing more to say here. We will be testing these levels, our major resistance and our major support. I don't know if you guys will go beyond or will go will follow in sideways an upcoming trend, an upward trend, but this is because I don't know what Bitcoin will do. Because if you want me to do a video about Bitcoin, we might have reached or soon reach the top, which means we will have a correction, guys. But don't worry about Bitcoin, of course. I think it will grow because of the demand and the supply. And I've already told you guys, we have halving of the Bitcoin. Because when we have halving, okay, the halving of Bitcoin, then the supply gets lower, it lowers, and the demand goes higher. When this happens, the price goes higher. It's the basic economics of the supply and demand diagrams. Okay, guys, so don't worry about Bitcoin. I don't know what will happen with SKL, and I won't stay much here. That's it for today. Thank you a lot for supporting me. I will make new videos every day. I will upload new videos every day, guys, so stay tuned. See you soon with more videos. Bye, guys.